What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of sneezing, dealing with allergies, or wondering why your energy bills keep climbing? Well, today we're diving into something that could change your entire home's air quality and potentially save you hundreds on HVAC repairs. I've spent weeks researching and testing the top 10 AC air filters for 2025, and trust me, the differences will blow your mind. From budget-friendly options to premium powerhouses, we've got something for every home and every budget. So grab your favorite drink, hit that subscribe button, and let's clean up your air literally. Starting strong at number 1, the AprilAire 216 MERV 16. This isn't just a filter, it's a complete air purification system. Virus level protection captures up to 98% of virus-sized particles and 99% of allergy and asthma triggers. We're talking medical-grade filtration for your home. Patented self-seal technology. This is genius. It minimizes air bypass, so every bit of air gets filtered. No shortcuts, no missed particles. What it captures: tobacco smoke, smog, dust, pollen, mold spores, bacteria, pet dander, dust mites, basically everything that makes you sick. Installation: their interlock rail system is incredibly easy. Unpack, slide in, close the door. Done. No assembly, no cardboard reinforcements. American Lung Association partnership. They're proud partners with the American Lung Association. That's not just marketing, that's credibility. Made in USA, designed and manufactured in the USA by the leaders in indoor air quality. Perfect for anyone serious about air quality, especially homes with respiratory issues, pets, or smokers. Number 2, Honeywell MERV 11 5-pack, and this is all about reliability and value. Industry standard. Honeywell has been the trusted name in home comfort for decades. When they make a filter, it meets rigorous industry safety standards. 12-month longevity. Each filter lasts up to a full year, so this 5-pack is potentially 5 years of air filtration. What it does: removes small particles that cheaper filters miss. We're talking about microscopic stuff that triggers allergies and respiratory issues. Material quality. Made with polyester media that maintains its structure and filtration efficiency over time. Customer feedback. People love the reliability. One customer mentioned they took a while to arrive but worked perfectly when they did. Pro tip: check your actual size versus nominal size. Not all 20x25x4 filters are the same actual dimensions. Number 3, BNX MERV 13, and this is where American manufacturing meets cutting-edge technology. Made in Houston, Texas, EPA-registered facility with the latest automated manufacturing. You're supporting American jobs while getting superior quality. Electrostatic innovation. They use the latest electrostatic filtration technology to capture 98% of airborne particles without restricting airflow. That's the holy grail of filtration. What it captures: virus carriers, bacteria, smoke, pollen, pet dander, dust mites, smog, basically everything that makes indoor air unhealthy. Sustainable design. One-piece frame technology reduces environmental waste, and they're made from recycled cardboard. Customer love. People are raving about the air quality improvement. One customer said it's the best decision for your family's health. Bonus: many customers get complimentary N95 masks with their order. Talk about going above and beyond. Number 4, the Filtrete by 3M, and when 3M makes something, you know it's engineered right. 3-in-1 technology. This is 3M's exclusive technology that traps particles while maintaining optimal airflow. It's like having a traffic controller for your air. Performance: MPR 1000 and MERV 11 rating means it's pulling countless microparticles, pet dander, smoke, smog, stuff you can't even see. Durability: these are deep pleated 4-inch filters designed to last up to 12 months. That's once-a-year convenience. What customers say: they're calling these filters game changers. One customer mentioned it fits better than what their $14,000 HVAC installer provided. 2-pack value. You get 2 filters, so you have a backup ready or can use them in multiple zones. Perfect for anyone who wants set it and forget it convenience with 3M quality. Number 5, Aerostar MERV 11, manufactured by Filtration Group, and these guys are the real deal. World-class manufacturing. Filtration Group is a world-leading manufacturer. They're not just making home filters, they're making industrial filtration solutions. Electrostatic advantage: 100% synthetic electrostatic media that draws and captures particles between 0.3 to 1.0 microns. That's smaller than you can see. What it catches: lint, dust mites, mold spores, pollen, pet dander, fine dust, and smoke. Basically everything that makes you miserable. HVAC protection. Here's a bonus. It doesn't just clean your air, it protects your expensive HVAC equipment by reducing strain on the motor. Replacement schedule: every 60 to 90 days normally, but bump it up to 30 days during peak summer and winter when your system works hardest. Value: 6-pack gives you half a year of replacements in one order. Number 6, Simply Filters MERV 11, and this is where smart engineering meets affordability. Advanced pleated technology. They use a higher pleat count than most retail filters. More pleats mean more surface area, which means better filtration without restricting airflow. Universal compatibility: works with almost any brand, 3M, Filtrete, Honeywell, you name it. One filter fits all. What it captures: 95% of airborne particles including dust, mold, pet dander, pollen, and even car exhaust that sneaks into your home. Longevity: up to 3 months of reliable filtration. Set a reminder on your phone and you're good to go. Made in USA, 100% American components, including recycled materials. You're getting quality while being environmentally conscious. Best for families with kids and allergy sufferers who want premium performance without premium prices. Number 7 is something completely different: the Trophy Washable Electrostatic Filter. Revolutionary concept. Forget buying filters every month. This one pays for itself because you just wash it and reuse it. How it works: 4 layers of high-grade aluminum with electrostatic media that literally attracts particles like a magnet. It's like having a permanent air purifier in your HVAC system. Installation: slides in effortlessly, no fighting with cardboard frames that bend and break. Health benefits: customers report fewer allergies and less sneezing. The electrostatic charge actively pulls dust, pollen, and pet dander out of the air. American made, crafted right here in the USA with premium materials. Pro tip: buy 2, use 1 while washing the other. You'll never run out of clean filters again. Number 8 brings us the Honeywell 4-inch powerhouse, and size does matter here. The thickness advantage: this 4-inch filter has 20 times more surface area than typical 1-inch filters. More surface area means better filtration and better airflow. What it catches: dust, viruses, bacteria, fungus, pollen, and spores. Basically, all the nasty stuff floating around your home. Longevity champion. Here's the kicker: this filter lasts up to 12 months. Compare that to monthly replacements with cheaper filters, and you're saving time and money. Perfect for homes with pets, smokers, or anyone with respiratory issues. The extra thickness means it can handle more contaminants without getting clogged. Installation: super easy, just slide it in and forget about it for a year. Number 9, the Filterbuy MERV 8, and this is all about value, people. Why I love this: you get 12 filters in one pack. That's literally a year's worth of replacements. No more forgetting to order filters and ending up with a dirty system. Construction quality: these aren't your cheap cardboard frames. They use industrial-grade beverage board with dual-wire backing. What does that mean? These filters won't collapse in extreme temperatures like cheaper ones do. Performance: MERV 8 traps 90% of dust particles without choking your airflow. It's that sweet spot between protection and performance. Made in USA bonus: 100% manufactured in the United States with recyclable materials. You're supporting American jobs while breathing cleaner air. Best for average homes without severe allergy issues who want reliable, long-term value. Rounding out our top 10 at number 10, we have the Nordic Pure MERV 14, and this is where things get serious. What makes this special? This filter is equivalent to MPR 2800, which means it's capturing particles you can't even see. We're talking about filtering out viruses, bacteria, and even smoke particles. Perfect for if you have severe allergies, asthma, or live in a high pollution area, this is your friend. It's also great for commercial applications. The catch. Here's what they don't tell you: MERV 14 is so powerful that it might overwhelm weaker HVAC systems. Make sure your system can handle it, or you could end up with bigger problems. Price point, around $15 minus 20 per filter, but considering it's made in the USA and performs like a medical grade filter, that's actually pretty reasonable. So there you have it, the top 10 AC air filters for 2025. AprilAire MERV 16 for premium protection, Filterbuy 12-pack for budget value, and B&X MERV 13 for the best overall balance. Your air filter protects both your family's health and your HVAC system. Don't cheap out on something this important. Which filter caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement content. I'll see you in the next one. Keep that air clean.